Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my finale for the for the Graveyard Project pan that I'm doing with several other lovely ladies. It was a rolling project pan. Last update I had 2 items left. I was able to finish one of them. It was the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. I think I have one more of this in my collection, so I'll be putting that to use soon. So I didn't finish the e.l.f. Makeup Remover Balm. I think I might have used this once or twice, not enough to warrant showing. So the other products that I finished are the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess body cream, the Josie Maran Argan oil, the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows in gold and in bronze, the Etude House cushion foundation, the Tatcha Camelia cleansing oil, the Aprilskin Calendula peeling pads, the Cosmetics Confidence in a cream, the Roc Daily Resurfacing Pads, and the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer sample size. So I was able to finish 11 products in this project, so that's pretty good. Hopefully the creator, Emily, will do this next year. I'm looking forward to it if she does. So anyway, give the other ladies a look and some love. Their links will be listed down below, like I said. Subscribe if you haven't. Click that bell if you like more notifications from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.